reaction that we started about the first unit, which is about chemical reaction in the stoichiometry natural right. So as you remember, chemical reaction is simply a process in which a given substance called the reacting substances called reactants are converted into another new substance called the product. Chemical reaction is one to reactant gara one to higher product. So chemical reaction is why for example, during a given chemical reaction, the reactants and the products they must be separated by anaerobe. We have also seen the meaning of anaerobe. The meaning of anaerobe is it may be to give to the dead, meaning to give to the dead, or to produce to the dead, or to form to the dead, or to yield to the dead. If you consider the reaction between sodium and the chlorine to form sodium chloride, sodium is chlorine gives us or sodium plus chlorine forms so these are some of our last class lessons. There are 3 laws of chemical reactions. Chemical reaction about the 3. The first one is
chemical equation.
The first one is the law of conservation of mass. Conservation of mass. Another is the law of definite proportion. And the law of
multiplication properties.
So the law of conservation of mass states that matter is neither created nor destroyed. During a given chemical reaction, matter is neither created nor destroyed. The amount of reactant must be equal to that of the amount of the product. This is also known as the law of indestructibility of matter. Law of indestructibility of matter. So another is the law of definite proportion, which states that a compound always contains the same element combined together in the same proportion by mass. Irrespective of its source. Madhara also dependent on compounding the only difference about the same element combined together in the same proportion by mass 1 it is about the law of multiple proportion. So this law it states that when 2 elements combine to form more than one compound, element only the combined compound carbon oxygen combined it forms 2 different types of compounds. Compound oxide is carbon monoxide carbon dioxide element inside carbon and oxygen. The only difference is what? The ratio of combination. Ratio of combination. As the carbon to oxygen to pochi, as the carbon to oxygen. So that is the only difference. That means when 2 elements combine to form more than one compound, the mass of one element combined with a fixed mass of the second elements are always in small or number ratio. Here also, ratio gatana smallest whole number ratio tau kabanu jai. Law of multiple proportion. So another concept is the concept of chemical equation. Chemical equation, chemical equation is a shorthand representation of chemical reaction in terms of chemical symbols and formulas. Chemical reaction is in terms of symbol it has a formula. If so, chemical equation in order to write a chemical equation, okay? Your chemical equation to write we have to follow these 3 different steps. Step are different. Second and order to get a chemical equation to correct. The first one is you have to write the word equation. Chemical equation is a word equation. First write the word equation. Write the above word equation. Write the above word equation in terms of symbols and formulas. Kaise formula the barres na kana mali barres devine symbol in formula generate tarkafi lamada then on the certificate you have to balance the equation you have to balance the equation finally. Tomorrow, I'm going to balance the equation. That means to obey the law of conservation of mass and obey the balance equation. That means the number of atoms on both the reactant and the product side must be equal. Akamanta focus go. Reactant and the atom is equal. According to the balance equation. For example, one minute write the chemical equation for the reaction between sodium and oxygen to form sodium and the oxygen to form sodium oxide. I can demand reaction sodium with oxygen in sodium oxide equation is our reference. The step in the drama, you have to write a word equation. Meaning, reactant sodium plus oxygen. Meaning, sodium plus oxygen. Then we have to use gives us sodium oxide. Sodium oxide. Sodium plus oxygen gives us sodium oxide. So this is the first step. That means writing the word equation. And write the above word equation. Word equation is a symbol in formula. For example, the symbol for sodium is what? It is simply Na. For oxygen, it is simply O. Oxygen always exists as a diatomic molecule. Before diatomic molecule, so if we have to write only O2, then gives us sodium 2, then O. Now this is not the balance equation. Equation is balance damage. Balance chemical equation is a given chemical equation can be balanced only by using a coefficient. Chemical equation is a balance coefficient of okay? Subscript balance coefficient is the number which is written in front of a symbol. Now, the symbol is it has a coefficient. So, coefficient of chemical equation is balance subscript is balance so, if I okay? A single now, let us compare the number of reactants and the products. For example, sodium can sodium to reactant product sodium you have to write the number 2. Say sodium oxygen is oxygen say then you have the sodium now you have to put 4. If amas 4 sodium sodium oxygen now this equation is already balanced. Balancing chemical equation done this. Chemical equation to go around. Step is a day and word equation the word equation is a symbolic formula. Equation is a balance. So as to have equal number of each atom on both the reactant and the product side. So we are going to start about balancing chemical equation. Balancing chemical equation. Balancing chemical equation baru sakai bahas dia orang fungsi. Lepas itu one fiber right, ada dia dari itu sini.